Welcome to Sibme Observations. This video is going to walk you through the observation step work screen, basically where all the action happens. Whether you're observing someone or being observed, this is your home base for everything from recording videos to signing off. Let's jump in. First, to get to a step, head to your observations dashboard and click on the status dot below the step you want to work on. A little menu pops up. Just hit open. And there you are on the work screen. At the top, you'll see the observation name, the person's info, and the step name with a little info icon if you want to learn more about what this step is asking you to do. Okay, so most steps are going to ask you to add evidence. This is the record of what you actually saw or did. Videos, audio recordings, notes, whatever tells the story. On the left side of the screen, you'll see several options. Record a new video right there. Record audio, jot down timestamp notes, or add something you've already recorded, or a form you've already filled out. You can add as much as you need. After you've added and commented on your evidence, the summary button will tell Sibme Copilot to generate a summary of everything you've done. You can add to the AI summary with your own notes. Everything shows up in the Evidence tab, so it's all in one place. Once you've added your evidence, some steps ask you to score. Each system has different requirements for scoring, so check with your program for expectations on scoring. You might also have a separate signature step if your process needs one. You'll see your name in a nice signature font, review the disclaimer, and hit Confirm and Sign. Boom, you're done with that part. The signature gets stamped with the date and time, so there's a clear record of when it happened. For each step, when everything's complete and you're happy with it, hit that Done button at the bottom right. The step gets marked complete and the status updates on your dashboard. If you ever need to go back and change something, you can click Undone and make your notes about why. And that's it. You've got all the core skills to work through any observation step. If you have questions, check out the other help articles. Happy observing!